Hi there. So Python's for loop is ideal for iterating over sequences like lists, which is also known as an array if you are familiar with other programming languages. Next, strings or range. It's more predictable than while loops. So what is a for loop? Let's take a look at an example. For later in Python, this Python inside quotes is a string. Print later. This is known as for-in loop. So here each character is printed one by one. Let's take a look at an example for basic for loop with range function. Here is an example. For I in range 5, print I. So, what do you think? What will get printed? This prints numbers from 0 to 4. Yes, friend. Always remember, range, the number which you gives, it executes till that number, say n minus 1. So, here from 0 to 4. Now you can also control this range function. Yes, friend, you can control start, stop and step. So let's take a look at another example. For I in range 1, 6, 2, print I. So what do you think? What will be executed? So here we are telling that it will start from 1 and its last number will be 6, and step we are defining here 2. So it will print 1, then 3, then 5. So this is the start value. So start value is 1. Stop value is 6 and step value is 2. So it will print 1, then 2 step, 3, then 5. Let's take another example of for loop for lists, also known as array in other programming languages. Yes, friend. So let's take a look at a list of names. Alice, Bob, Charlie. So for name, in names, print name. So note one thing, friend. This part, names, this can be variable, range, list, string, alright. And this is up to you. You can mention here anything. But remember, when you are going to use it, you need to use the same variable or same keyword here.